Hello guys, I'm Pritesh and today I'm going to explain a very interesting and easy LeetCode problem called find the integer added to the array 1. Here's a problem. In this problem we are given two arrays num1 and num2. We know that every element of num1 is increased or decreased by the same integer x, and after this transformation if it becomes equal to number 2. Our task is to find that integer. Let's understand with an example. I have your both array num1 and num2. Now first let's sort both arrays. Now after sorting, the array should look like something like this. Now when you compare the first element, so our candidate value for the x will be 3. Now after verifying, the difference is the same everywhere. Therefore, answer will be 3. Now what our approach gonna be? Since adding the same integer preserves relative ordering, we can sort both arrays and calculate the zeroth index difference in the x variable. And we're gonna verify that every corresponding pair has the same difference. If it's null, then we're gonna return -1, and if it is same difference, then we're gonna return x. Now let's get into the code. First, we have to sort the both arrays. Is testing the change number 2. After that, I use x variable to store our difference value. Here, we use to 0 to x minus comes from 0 to x. Now, we have to look through all the elements in the last one. 4, and 0, 5, plus both in the side, both the other side is similar. Now, we're gonna check one condition. If my difference between num2 values and num1 value not equal to value contain the differences, then when I return x, if all the things go well, return our x. Now let's check it. Okay, it's working. Let's start with the code. It's working. Fine. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you found this video explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.